Good morning. It's 10:13. Paddle about 5 kilometers, 5.71 kilometers. It's been an hour of paddling so far. Mostly it's been rather calm, as you can see. It's not much wind, so that's I guess a little slow. But as you can see, I can't see a thing. It's the whole of South Bombay covered in smog or fog. And that would be the governor's bungalow there. That's a no-no area. I think we've established that. And here we go, Cuff Parade. Our little ledge here, which runs about a kilometer. And back this way, that way would be Naval Academy and restricted area again. Been there, done that. And here we stand, an hour of paddling out. It's pretty relaxed. There isn't much in terms of exhaustion. It's a good thing. And it looks like an all and out good day because it's not very sunny. It's always nice. And not much resistance, which is not always so nice, but today we'll deal with it. So it's time to put on the mask again. We're doing some breathing exercises. There we go. That's our day mask. Back on. Yes, it really makes that noise. Alright, I think we're good to go. Sun is coming out behind us. That's our cue. Take control. Huh?